Why you choose the ferrite materials? Because the ferrite show a ferromagnetic behavior in which the different lattices have different magnetic moment and the net magnetization of this material. The ferrites are generally the oxides of iron, having general formula is the MoFe2O3 and having Fe12O90. When we take zinc ferrite, the M is replaced by ZnOFe2O3, that is the soft. My work is related to the soft ferrite and the hard ferrite both, but here I am presenting only zinc ferrite, that is soft ferrite materials. The structure plays a very vital role in the magnetic property. That I mentioned here, the spinal structure. Next please. Next. Here you see, this is all the materials. Here. Next. The property change on nanoscale. When you compare the bulk material and nanomaterials, in nanophase material, the single domain particle behavior is shown, and the second is the surface to volume ratio is very high. This is very important point. The surface heated at two temperature, 450 degrees centigrade and 650 degrees centigrade. Next please. Next. And this is the exotic factor of the zinc ferrite nanoparticles at 450 degrees centigrade. Here the prominent peak is this. But you choose this peak and upper density and wavelength of the lambda used X-ray wavelength 1.54 nanometers, and the particles take the magnetic parameters of this material which I prepared in the laboratory. Next please. And this is the hysteresis loop we got laboratory. Next please. And this is the value I obtained. Zinc ferrite nanoparticle, the particle size of 450 degrees centigrade 11.37 nanometers and 450 degrees centigrade 33.6 nanometers, and the persitivity 2.87 and 10.37. Here very important is in case of persitivity, generally zinc ferrite when in bulk state, the value of persitivity is a maximum 0.1 on state. But here we got 2.87 and at temperature maximum value 0.1 or state, here we are getting 2.87 and 10.37 or state. These are large value in comparison to the bulk. And particle size increases, that is very important. Increase the annealing temperature, the particle size increases. And next please. Next last. Thank you very much.
Special materials which shows hysteresis but do not have electrical property. What does this mean? The hysteresis loop is formed.
Hysteresis loop?
There are special materials of nanocrystalline which forms hysteresis but do not have electrical properties. Then that material do not have, magnetic material do not have electrical properties.
The magnetic materials are those and they show special magnetic property. That means we are getting here the magnetic parameters value possibility, but the electrical properties of this material is very, the resistance is very high.
Then what does that mean? Special material?
The special material because the magnetic properties can be used for technological application. For yes, as we are taking permanent magnet. In case of permanent magnet, if the retentivity and persitivity value is very large, if you reduce the value of persitivity and retentivity, so till we get the value 0, we reduce the magnetic field, but the persitivity and remnant magnetism value cannot be 0. Therefore, this material can be used in permanent magnet. Therefore, this is a special material.
Thank you.
Yes, you can see in the graph is saturation magnetization level is higher. जो machine से data मिला maximum saturation magnetization value जो वहाँ पे सर आ रहा है वो maximum value दिखा रहा है कितना
I can understand. You can generate those. My another question is